Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the average Asian coder. This is going to be a beginner Python series where we will learn about the basics of Python programming language. By the end of this series, you will be able to write common Python programs, implement conditional statements and loops, learn to use built-in library functions, and make use of third-party Python modules. So without any further ado, let's begin. To follow along with the course, you will need a basic understanding of a computer and an active internet connection. You will also need a working Python installation, which I will be covering in this video. Also, a code editor of your choice, can be anything, can be PyCharm, can be VS Code, anything which will also be covered in this video. So, what is Python? Python is a versatile scripting language written in C++. Python is mostly popular for artificial intelligence and machine learning, but can also be used for writing web servers and APIs. This is the first video in a series where I'll be teaching you the basics of Python. For now, we'll be covering how to install Python in your system. If you are using Windows, which I am, you go to Windows PowerShell, then you type winget search Python. Winget gives you a list of programs which are available. Let's see. I want to install Python 3.10. So I copy this and then I type winget install and paste it in. Hit enter. Winget will automatically download the Python executable and execute it. Once the installation is complete, just type python dash dash version into PowerShell without a space. And I'm currently using Python 3.12, but you might have noticed that we just installed Python 3.10. When you have multiple installations of Python and you want to use a specific installation in Windows, what we have to do is edit the path variable. So just type in path and select edit the system environment variables, then go to environment variables, then path, and click on edit. The Python version you want to use should be at the top of the list, and the one you don't want to use should be at the bottom of the list. This is how you can easily do version management in Windows. So let's close out of the PowerShell and launch PowerShell again. And now when we type in python dash dash version, we should get 3.10.11. Alright, after you have set up Python, you want to set up a code editor. There are a lot of popular code editors, for example VS Code, PyCharm, etc. So for our purposes we'll be using VS Code, which you can download from Winget if you want. I'll show you how to do it. PowerShell, Winget, search VS Code. The first result is Microsoft Visual Studio Code, and you copy this and type in winget install Microsoft Visual Studio Code. It will automatically download the package and install it. Since I already have that installed, I will be cancelling this installation. When you first open up VS Code, you need to install a few extensions to make it work with Python. For example, you need Pylance, Python and Python debugger, and also prettier, which is a code formatter. So let's see. I've already created a folder called python tut, and I have a file called test.py. So what I'll do is delete this file and create a new file, hello world.py. Every Python file has the extension of .py, so hit enter, and we're gonna print hello world. Print, open parentheses, open braces, and hello world. Save that, and in the terminal you can push Ctrl and J to bring up the terminal. We type in python hello world.py, and we can see that hello world is printed to the screen. So in the next video we'll be covering variables and conditional statements. That's it for today. See you again. Bye bye.